Today, I am reviewing the Hitron CODA DOCSIS 3.1 cable internet. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been using the Hitron CODA DOCSIS 3.1 cable modem for several weeks now, and it has proven to be a rock-solid foundation for my home network. If you are tired of paying monthly equipment rental fees to your internet service provider, or if you feel like the all-in-one gateway they provided is underperforming, this dedicated modem is an excellent solution. One of the first things that stood out to me was the build quality and the simplicity of the design. It is a compact, vertical unit that does not take up much space on a shelf, and it stays remarkably cool even during heavy, sustained downloads. Performance is where this modem truly shines. Since it utilizes DOCSIS 3.1 technology, it is designed to handle the high-speed tiers offered by major providers like Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox. In my testing on a Gigabit plan, I saw consistent, stable speeds that actually pushed slightly past what I was getting with my ISP-issued hardware. The latency was also notably lower and more consistent during online gaming sessions, which is a huge plus for anyone who plays competitive titles where every millisecond counts. It handles high-bandwidth tasks like streaming 4K video on multiple devices simultaneously without any signs of congestion or dropped packets. It is important to understand exactly what this device is and what it is not. This is a pure modem, meaning its only job is to translate the signal from your coaxial cable into a digital format your devices can understand. It does not have built-in Wi-Fi, and it does not have multiple Ethernet ports for connecting a whole house full of gadgets. You absolutely must pair this with a high-quality separate Wi-Fi router to get your home network up and running. While some might see this as a drawback, I actually prefer this modular approach. It allows me to upgrade my router to the latest Wi-Fi standards whenever I want without having to replace my entire modem, and it ensures that each device is dedicated to doing one job perfectly. The setup process was straightforward, though it does require a bit of coordination with your internet provider. Once I connected the coaxial cable from the wall and plugged in the power, the lights on the front panel indicated a solid connection within a couple of minutes. I then had to call my service provider to register the MAC address of the new modem on my account. The entire phone call took less than 10 minutes, and once the technician pushed the activation signal, the modem rebooted, and I was online immediately. Hitron provides very clear documentation, and I appreciated that they emphasized the importance of checking your connection type before you buy. This is strictly for coaxial cable internet and will not work with fiber optic or DSL lines, so verifying your wall jack is a must. Another benefit that often goes overlooked is the security and control you gain by owning your own hardware. Many ISP-provided gateways have lockdown settings or allow the provider to broadcast a public hotspot from your home. With the Hitron CODA, you have a clean, dedicated bridge to the internet that does not come with those hidden background tasks. It feels like a much more professional and private way to manage your home connection. Over the long term, the cost savings are a major factor. Depending on your provider, modem rental fees can add up to over $150 a year. By purchasing this modem, you usually break even in less than 12 months, and everything after that is money back in your pocket. Combined with the improved performance and stability, it is a very easy recommendation for anyone who wants to take their home internet more seriously. The support from Hitron has also been a nice safety net, as they offer technical assistance 7 days a week and have decades of experience in the networking industry. If you have a Gigabit cable plan and a good Wi-Fi router ready to go, the Hitron CODA is a reliable, high-performance gateway that just works without any unnecessary bells and whistles.